All right, and welcome back. Today, team, we're going to be opening up a Elite Trainers box, Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. As you can see here, picked this sneaky one up at EB Games. So just was cruising through to pick up a few things, and before you know it, we've found an Elite Trainers box. So let's check out what we're dealing with in here. Take this all off. As you can see, just there on the screen. So we'll pop him out. All right, and we've got a player's guide, as you can see here. It's got all these new VMAX cards. That's pretty cool. Hopefully it's going to help us complete some collections. Pop him off. All right, as you can see, we've got our rules. Take that out. And we've got some card cases. Energy cards, pack full of energy cards by the looks of things, I'm pretty sure. Some extra cards for the game. Your dice, I should say. And here we are, some Rebel Clash packs. Let's open these up and see what we're dealing with, huh? Maybe we can get something cool out of this pack. No. Just a quick skim to the holo Zamazenta. I think that's the name, good old Zamazenta. I'll just pop him to the side, put that holo just over there. Coming through, gonna get something special, guys. Another green. So we'll just go through and find that holo Luxio. Put them to the sides. Nothing too crash hot right now. I think everything I'm looking for in this collection are just rare cards, and that can start to get a bit tough. Nothing special again, disappointing. Come through just to find that holo. There we go. Continuing on through. Here we are. We might take our time with this one, do this pack properly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn him round and let's go. Milo, holo, boom. Dragapult V card. It's not too bad. This is a double up that we've got there. So continue on. Again, another green. Applin. Chuck him to the side there. Here we are. 3, 4. Scoop up net, Heracross, Electrode, Nose Pass, Wingull, Phantump, Bronzor, Toxel, Helioptile, and boom, SQ, double holos. Continuing on, not too many left in this packet. Oh, here we are. Ooh, a little bit concerning there. Bit of a bend on that card, but it hasn't affected the other cards, so thank God. And continuing through, 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy cards. And let's go. Capture Energy, Chatots, Coughing, Shinix, Yamask, Applin, Hatina Holo, And boom, double V card. So that's 2 V cards out of this trainers pack. Elite trainers pack, I should say. Sword and Shield Rebel Clash. Last packet in this box. And could be a good one. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put him in front. I thought I saw part of that and I think it's decent. So let's suss this out. Heatmore. More Pico. Oops, excuse me. Sandygast. I think I needed that. Roly-Coly. Stunky. Clefairy. Voltorb. Grublin Hollow. And boom! Toxicity. V-card again. So, just to confirm, I mean, I'm sure these are all energy cards. I don't think there's anything sort of hiding in there. And yeah. So, this pack here is just full of all different types of energy cards. My God, there's just so many energy cards at times. However, out of the Rebel Clash Elite Trainers box, out of this box here, we have gotten 3 V cards, which out of 6 packs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 8 packs, that's good. Those chances are really good. So grab your Elite Trainers boxes when you can, when you see them lying around, because you never know what gold is going to lie inside these boxes. So until next time, guys, stay safe and we'll see you soon.